So my journey to BharatBenz came about 7 to 8 years ago. It's an interesting story. Some of our drivers had always been complaining that they were not getting good mileage in the tires, and the fleet manager was always complaining कि आपका टायर बहुत जल्दी घस जाता है. तो one of the drivers says आप बेंज क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते? मैंने सुना है कि उसका टायर का माइलेज बहुत अच्छा है. Fortunately, I met the dealer owner a day, and he told me, I didn't know that he was the Benz own dealer. So he told me that, ठीक है, I am dealing in Benz. Why don't you give it a try? So we started with about 4 vehicles, and very soon we noticed a very interesting thing. While the competitor truck was giving me a tire mileage of about 65,000 kilometers, and at best about 75,000 kilometers, the first BharatBenz truck gave me a mileage of 1,20,000 kilometers. This was a massive change. The cost of tires, when it goes down by about 1.5 times, it reduces my cost of operation dramatically. And from then on, it has been a very, very smooth journey. From 4 vehicles to about 60 plus vehicles has been such a smooth journey that I feel proud to be a Benz owner. My name is Prakash Khemani. I head a company called Suraj Logistics Private Limited, and we are into the business of transportation of cement and petroleum products. I have been in this business for generations. This is probably the 3rd generation in transportation business, and with due course of time we have only increased fleet and business size. We are also using our own fleet for movement of materials from our polymer business plant, where we manufacture a number of plastic products. Our total fleet size would be around 200 plus vehicles, plus some other attached vehicles. 200 would be our own vehicles, and a number of maybe 150 added vehicles. After having used Benz vehicles for the past 7 to 8 years, and when I look back, I find that the total cost of ownership of these Benz vehicles have been much lower than any other brand. Primarily for many reasons. I will say 2 reasons. One, the maintenance cost is much lower. The spare parts are available. Their prices for once you may feel is high, but when you see it, they're running, the performance is much better. The vehicle doesn't go to the garage more frequently. And we've noticed that if the vehicles are sent for scheduled maintenance, there is hardly any breakdown. The other place we found an advantage is the mileage of the vehicles. The per liter output of the vehicle is much better. I will say about 8 to 10% better than competition vehicles. And this is a huge saving, which we've been enjoying for the past 7 to 8 years. Another thing, when we talk about Benz vehicles, I think their service is something which other competitors need to replicate. I will give a small instance. One of my vehicles met with an accident in a place called Raipur, which is about 650 kilometers from here. The vehicle was totally stranded on the road, and we didn't know what to do. The local mechanics could not help us. I called up the dealer here at about night 10 o'clock, and I told him, look, this is the problem, can you help me? To my utter surprise, early morning a person was dispatched from here with a recovery vehicle, and he helped us set the vehicle right, and the vehicle was got back to Jamshedpur and serviced here. I have never experienced such type of service in any company in the past 30 years of my personal experience. Hats off to Benz for this. So since the time we started buying Benz vehicles, we've started facing a unique problem. The drivers who've started driving Benz are not ready to drive the competitor vehicles. I ask them why. When I meet the drivers, I genuinely ask them कि तुम्हें दूसरी गाड़ी देने तुम नहीं चलाना चाहते हो. You are ready to skip the duty, but you want to take the Benz vehicles. He says, साहब इसमें comfort बहुत ज़्यादा है. The sitting posture, the driving comfort is much more compared to any other vehicle. We have a system in our company where the driver is supposed to drive a maximum 450 kilometers in a day. He says, साहब मैं वो इतने टाइम में कर लेता हूँ, इतने आराम से कर लेता हूँ कि मुझे शाम को आराम करने का समय मिल जाता है. And therefore I find that actually the drivers are now pushing me to take the Benz vehicles, and that is how the fleet size is increasing, and that's a wonderful experience. When the driver is happy, the fleet owner is happy. Well, as I told you that we've been into the transportation business for generations, and we've been using these Benz vehicles for the last about 7 years. I just wish my son also takes forward this tradition, and he would be equally happy with the Benz vehicles.